Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be a 20-minute class for full body flexibility, beginner friendly. All levels are welcome. Let's begin. In a child's pose, bring the big toes together, the knees are apart. Walk your hands forward away from you. Take a breath in. And on your exhale, soften your forehead down to the mat. Bring your focus to the present moment. Bring awareness to the quality of your breath. Try to breathe in and out through the nose as best as you can. Arrive. Press or walk your hands in enough so that you can thread the right arm underneath the left palm up. I'm going to use my hand as a pillow and stretch across the shoulder. Notice how a deep breath affects the stretch, the sensations in the shoulder. Use your left hand to help you up, and we will switch sides. Walk the right arm, hand forward, left arm underneath, palm up. Rest your forehead on the right hand. Breathe. Press up to a tabletop position. Bring the knees underneath the hips, hands are shoulder width, tops of the feet are down. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, look forward. Exhale, round. Tuck the chin, press the mat down. Neutral spine. Extend your right leg back and up. Knee pointing down or facing down. Point the toes and feel the right hamstrings engage. One, nose to knee. Press the palms down as you bring your knee in, forehead or nose to knee. And extend the right leg back. Hold the leg up. Bend the right knee and draw some circles out, down, and around. Right foot up between your hands. Prop up onto your fingertips. Right knee is over the right ankle. Untuck the back toes, shoulders away from the ears. Feel your left hip flexor. Press back to a half split. So you're going to go all the way to the back of your mat. You can sit on the heel or inside of the foot. Reach up with both hands and fold over the right leg. Sole of the foot faces away from you. Smooth out the breath and hold. Use your hands to help you to sit up. Walk forward back to our kneeling lunge. Lean on the left hand, place the right hand on top of the right knee, and twist middle upper back. Bring your right hand down to the mat, hands frame the right foot, and we're back to tabletop. One cat-cow, scan right to left as you do this. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine, reach the left leg back and up, just hip height. Balance the weight evenly between both hands. Point the back toes, pull in the core and reach. Feel the left hamstrings working. Nose to knee, just one. Press into the palms so that the spine rounds. And extend the leg back. Hold. Bend the left knee and draw circles out, down, and around. Bring the left foot between your hands for a kneeling lunge. Untuck the back toes. Step into the front foot a little bit. That'll help you create some natural alignment. Knee over the ankle. Prop up onto fingertips. Shoulders down. See if you can breathe so that you feel it all the way to the hip flexor because the lungs expand. Stretching the torso. Stay present. Back to half split. Walk back. Repeat whatever you did on the first side here. Lift up and fold over your left leg. Find a place that you can hold. Ouch. Release. Sit up, shift your weight forward, back to a kneeling lunge for a lunge twist. Right hand down, left hand on top of the leg. Press. Bring the right shoulder forward, left one back. Left hand back to the mat. Tabletop, one cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Tuck the toes, lift the knees off of the mat and press back to downward facing dog. Knees will be bent in the beginning. Over time, they will straighten out as the heels press toward the mat. Hands are shoulder width. Feet are hip width. Shoulders away from the ears. Press into the palms. Find length all along the back side of your body. Lower your knees to the mat. Bring your legs out in front of you. Bring the soles of the feet together. Knees are apart. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Press the shoulders down and away from your ears. Forward fold over your legs. Sit up. Place your feet on the mat in front of you, hip width. Hands are behind you. Fingers point toward the feet for a reverse tabletop. Press down and lift. Try not to let the knees splay. sit down, extend the legs out in front of you, lift up, reach up, forward fold over both legs. Round up. Find a comfortable seated position. And breathe in, lift the arms overhead. Reach up, lift up. Twist to the right, float the hands down. Right hand behind you as a kickstand. Left hand on the right knee. Release through center, arms overhead, lift up. Stay lifted, twist to the left. Lengthen to twist. Right hand to the left knee. Breathe. Release through center, closing breath. Inhale, arms above the head. Breathe in again at the top. Reach up. Long exhale, lower your hands down. Gratitude for your practice. I am so grateful for your presence. If you enjoyed this, please let me know with a comment, a like, a subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Namaste.